Last Monday, I paid two different sellers on Fiverr $25 and $200 to create me a dropshipping store around the same product, and well, it was definitely an interesting experience. The first store that I bought for only $25 looked alright in terms of design, but when it came to English fluency, the entire website went to crap. Throughout the website, there were so many errors in spelling, grammar, and punctuation that it was just so difficult to understand. I guess that's what I get for hiring someone from Africa to create a dropshipping store. As for the second store I bought for $200, things looked a lot better. The website had a great overall design, and the English fluency on it was good enough so that a potential buyer could actually understand what was trying to be said. So I guess the term "you get what you pay for" actually applied for the first part of this experiment. Now, in part 2 of this dropshipping challenge, we are going to be running ads for the stores we bought on Fiverr just to see how they compare in terms of revenue generated. To start this challenge off, we need to figure out how we are going to be advertising our product. For those of you who missed part 1 of this mini-series, the product that we are going to be selling is a trash can for cars. Since this product is more needs-based than anything else, I think Facebook ads is the main way we are going to be advertising our brand. For both of the websites, I am going to be running 3 ads at a budget of $10 per day. Each of the ads is going to have the same ad and ad copy, but the detailed targeting will be unique. Now, as the days progress in this experiment, I am going to be stopping the ads that are not profitable and scaling the ads that work. Alongside the Facebook ads, I plan on doing a little bit of magic on Instagram theme pages in the car niche. I plan on advertising our product on pages with solid pricing alongside solid engagement, and the budget for this will be about $100. Now that we have an advertising plan for the dropshipping business, it is time to get creative and come up with both an ad and ad copy for the garbage can company. Guys, I suck at this part of the dropshipping business model, so wish me luck. Alright guys, it is now day 2 of this challenge. Unfortunately, I didn't get to update you guys very much yesterday as I kind of just went to work and completely forgot about documenting the process. But luckily, I still completed the video ad to run both via Facebook ads and Instagram theme pages, and it looks a little something like this. In my opinion, the ad turned out pretty good, and the reason for that is because I actually hired a seller on Fiverr to do the job for me. I was honestly so stuck on the creation process of the ad yesterday, and I felt that a seller on Fiverr could do a much better job for a cheap price. So I ended up dishing out $10, paid a seller on Fiverr instead of doing the work myself. I am a big believer of outsourcing things you suck at, and guys, I suck at a lot of things. If someone could do a better job at something than you can, and you are thinking long-term with your business, it is 100% worth it to hire that person, pay them some extra money on the front end, because your business will be rewarded down the road. On top of getting the video ad created on Fiverr yesterday, I also posted 6 Facebook ads yesterday night at a budget of $10 per day. So far, 3 of the 6 ads have been approved, but knock on wood, hopefully the other 3 ads will be approved soon. I have seen a huge slowdown lately in Facebook's whole ad approval process because lately they have been relying less on their employees and more on the algorithm to get ads approved due to all of the world events going on right now. This in turn has caused a lot of chaos in their whole ad approval system, and it's increased the amount of time it takes to get an ad approved. With that being said, today should be a very interesting and exciting day for the business. It would be absolutely amazing if we hit over $100 in revenue on the first day, but who knows if that could happen. Facebook ads are usually hit or miss, especially when you're starting a brand new company. I will keep you guys updated today as I make some sales with the business and as I make some big money moves with Instagram influencers.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, it's getting pretty late and I'm about to head to bed, but as you guys can see, all 6 Facebook ads are currently active. Unfortunately, none of the Facebook ads have resulted in any purchases as of right now. $37.21 has been spent, and that has resulted in 28 link clicks. So far, the results of this experiment have been super unfortunate. It looks like this first round of Facebook ads have been a bust, so we're gonna have to adapt our strategy, but that's what business is all about. It's all about learning from your mistakes and adapting. So over these next 2 days of the challenge, I am going to be looking to fix our Facebook ads issue to get those ads profitable, and I am also going to be looking to do some advertising on Instagram theme pages for our product. Hello everybody and welcome to day 3 of the Shopify Dropshipping Challenge. To start the day off, I have some good news to talk about, and unfortunately, I also have some bad news to tell you guys. Starting with the good news, I ended up closing an Instagram influencer deal on a page by the name of World of Mustang. I ended up paying only $10 for an Instagram story mention and a swipe up link. Normally, I am not a fan of story shoutouts and prefer 24-hour posts, but the owner of the page said that the earliest he would be able to do a page post and link in bio was on Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern, and well guys, I'm not trying to wait that long for an Instagram shoutout. I still, however, really wanted to work with the page owner for a story shoutout since the price he was offering was absolutely amazing for a page his size at only $10 for a story shoutout on a page with nearly 300,000 followers. And guys, on top of that, the other reason I wanted to work with this page owner is the engagement on his page is absolutely amazing at well above 3%. So as of 30 minutes ago, our ad went live on this influencer's page, and well, our promo deal is already profitable since it just recently converted into a $14.99 sale on trashbob.com. After seeing this paper come in soon after our Instagram promo deal went live, I am feeling super confident that this Instagram ad will be super successful. Also, to be able to compare the 2 stores we bought from Fiverr fairly, I am going to be paying the Instagram influencer who owns this page another $10 tomorrow for a story shoutout for my $25 Shopify dropshipping store. Now guys, the bad news of this whole experiment is regarding the Facebook ads part of our advertising strategy. So far, we have spent a grand total of $82.46 on Facebook ads, and we have yet to see a single person convert into a sale on our websites. To avoid losing any more money from this whole Facebook ads fiasco, I am going to temporarily pause our ads so we can rethink our entire advertising strategy. The reason I think our Facebook ads are failing so horribly right now is the video ad we got back from the Fiverr seller has a ton of text on it, and our boy Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook headquarters for some reason hates text. Whenever you put too much text on an ad on Facebook, it reaches far less people than it typically should, and I think that is what is happening to us right now. On our $82.46 in ad spend, we have gotten only 8,245 impressions. And at least from my experience running Facebook ads in the past, I can tell you that this number right here is extremely low. With that being said, I'm going to keep you guys updated on my progress as I make more sales on my Shopify store, rethink our Facebook ad strategy, and most importantly, find more influencers to promote our garbage can company. It is now the final day of the Shopify Dropshipping Challenge, and well guys, I have quite a bit to update you on since I forgot to talk to you all last night. The Instagram promo deal from yesterday for trashbob.com was actually pretty profitable as it brought in 3 sales for a total of $44.97 in revenue. After expenses such as payment processor fees, product cost, and ad spend, we secured a slim profit of $27.62, which is actually not bad at all. Today, I am going to be working with that same influencer for our $25 Shopify dropshipping store. And although we're working with the same influencer and we're posting the same ad, I'm not expecting to get as good of results, as a lot of the page's audience has already seen our car trash can product. And if they weren't interested the first time around, the chances are they won't be interested again if they see the product just one more time. But hey, it's worth a shot, as this influencer deal worked very well the first time and it's a cheap promotion. So we only have to get a couple sales to make a pretty good profit. In an attempt to have another profitable day Shopify dropshipping, I am going to steer away from running any Facebook ads, as I honestly don't have any idea how to target people who'd be interested in buying our car trash can. On the first round of ads, I was targeting people who had interest in cars, cleaning, organization, and I was sure to exclude people who knew about dropshipping or e-commerce. Obviously, that didn't work out too well, as we got absolutely zero sales on over $80 worth of ad spend, and I don't really have any better ideas on how to target our product, so I'm gonna steer away from Facebook ads for the rest of this challenge. With that being said, the focus for today is to find 2 Instagram theme pages in the automobile niche with similar sized followings and pay them for an ad on their page. That way we can have one Instagram ad running for our $25 Shopify store, and we can also have another Instagram ad running for our $200 Shopify store. I have been reaching out to Instagram theme pages in the car niche all morning, and so far I haven't had the best of luck. Instagram theme pages in the car niche are not too plentiful, and on top of that, the pages that do respond to me are trying to overcharge me on price. And I've also not reached out to a ton of pages so far, because a lot of pages in this niche have terrible engagement and it's not even worth working with them. Hopefully, as the day progresses, we close some deals with Instagram theme pages and also make quite a bit of paper. So guys, wish me luck and I will update you soon. Alright guys, it is super late at night, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on how the Shopify dropshipping business went today. I ended up getting some sales from our Instagram promo deals, and I'm going to go over all of that tomorrow. And on top of that, I ended up closing one more Instagram influencer deal today on a page with 20,000 followers. I was hoping to do a little bit better on my Instagram game today, but things didn't work out quite as well as I wanted it to, but at least we got one deal. So guys, please be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'm going to be going over a giveaway tomorrow, and I'm also going to be going more into depth on which Shopify dropshipping page was more successful throughout this 3-day challenge. Good morning, everybody. It is now another beautiful day. Yesterday, I ended up racking in another 2 sales for the Shopify dropshipping business, trashbob.com. Those sales came from an Instagram promo deal with a page by the name of Tesla Tactic, with 26.8k followers. On the Instagram page Tesla Tactic, they ended up charging me $15 for an Instagram story shoutout and swipe up link. That's a little bit more than the last page charged me, but I still went ahead and did the deal because I knew I would only need to get 2 sales to make at least a small profit. I ended up getting exactly 2 sales, and I made a profit of $12.84 after all expenses. I know that doesn't sound like much money, but if you think about it in terms of a percentage, I basically doubled my money right there. Now with the $25 Shopify dropshipping website, trashcansforcars.com, things didn't go quite as well. I ended up making absolutely $0 in revenue from the $10 story shoutout on the page World of Mustang, and I think the reason for this is a lot of the page's audience had already seen the ad I posted the day prior, and those that weren't interested the first time didn't change their mind, and out of the few that were interested the first time, they had already bought something. All in all, in the first 3 days of this Shopify dropshipping challenge, I ended up bringing bringing a total of $89.65 of revenue in for the website trashbob.com. And well, for the website trashcansforcars.com, I ended up making a total revenue of $0. Unfortunately, neither of the two dropshipping stores were profitable in the first 3 days of this challenge because I had some serious issues running Facebook ads. If it were for me wasting over $80 on Facebook ads just to get $0 in sales, I would have made over $40 on my $200 Shopify store, and I would have only lost $10 on my $25 Shopify store. And I am sure with some experimenting and hard work, both of these dropshipping stores can become extremely profitable. So that is why I decided to do something nice and give these dropshipping stores away to you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave a comment down below and also drop a like on this video. On whatever comment you write, please be sure to leave your Instagram username so I have a way to contact you in case you win the giveaway. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching this video and if you made it to the end. In case you missed part 1 of this dropshipping series, please be sure to click the video right here. And with that being said, peace out.